First grade, welcome back to school after Christmas break. We are now in the year 2021. Welcome. Today in Phonics, we are going to be taking a look at two new sounds. We will be looking at the long O sound as well as the long U sound. And we're also looking at the long E sound. So there's actually three of them that we'll be looking at. But more specifically on this sheet today, we're looking at long O and long U. Remember that when the vowel is long, it says its own name. So when you have O consonant E, it's going to make the O say O, like in the word rope. U consonant E means that the U is going to say its own name. It's going to have the long U sound. The long U sound is the first sound in the word use. And if you have E consonant E, you'll have the long E sound like the sound in the middle of Pete, the long E. Remember, in those cases, the E at the end of the word is silent. It doesn't say anything. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take our first look at some words that have long vowels in them. So this here is a musical note. We need to figure out, does this word say note or does this word say note? Remember what we just said. If we want it to have a long vowel, it needs to have the vowel, consonant, and E. So does this have an E at the end? No. This word is not. Not. That is not correct. This says note. Note. So you're going to circle note and write it on the line. Note. Using your best handwriting. Okay, number 2. This is a picture of a cube. You could say it's an ice cube if you wanted to. Which of these two words shows a cube? Needs to have a U, consonant E, for this U to be long. So does this say cube? This says cub. Cub. How about this one? Cube. Cube. Yes, this has the U consonant E. So we're going to circle C-U-B-E, that word says cube, and I will write it on the line, just like you, using your most excellent handwriting. Number 3 and 4, I'm going to say what it is. You're going to circle it and write it on the line. Number 3. This is a globe. Which of these two words says globe? Make sure that you've circled it and that you wrote it. And then number 4, this is a picture of a mule. A mule. It's a baby donkey, mule. Which of these two words says mule? Circle it and write it on the line. Now, at the bottom, we need to look at the picture and we need to write an O, a U, or an E to complete the word that names it. This is a picture of a rose. Rose. Which letter do I need for this to say rose? O, U, or E? O's. Yes. If you said O, you are correct. And number 6. Number 6, that is an ice cream cone. This here is the cone. Cone. Which letter do I need for that to say cone? If you said O, once again, you are correct. When you are done with this sheet for today, you will need to make sure that this gets put back into your Monday folder.